Hello everyone, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. So today's topic is menstrual cycles, or it's called vaginal bleeding or periods, and we'll talk about what are the needs to be taken care while periods. So before starting out that, let's have an introduction on what is menstrual cycle. It is for every woman between 10 to 45 years of age, and the duration may be 28 to 35, or where it is from 21 to 45 days. So what happens is that, as you see in the picture, the two ovaries in the left and the right side, right? So eggs will release from these ovaries. What happens is that eggs will travel to the fallopian tubes, which you can see in this photo. The linings of the uterus will grow, and the eggs will wait for fertilization. So if there is no fertilization, or if there is no chance to become pregnant, what happens is that the uterus lining will break and the periods will start. So what will happen is this menstrual blood will pass out through vagina. So that is considered as menstrual cycle of periods. So blood comes out of vagina. So what happens is during the periods is they often suffer from headaches, cramps, mood swings. So normally what we do with the menstrual cramps is there are some remedies to soothe or healing properties, which have the healing properties, like we have fenugreek seed, and we have to soak in water and overnight and drink it. It will relieve from pain, and ginger have a good property of reducing pain, and massaging and applying heat may also reduce the pain. And if you drink the cumin seed or tea, it will also thought to release or reduce periods pain. The pain may get relief from the above said things. So next we'll talk about what are the things we should keep in mind during periods. You need to maintain the hygienic and cleanliness, and this is to prevent the yeast infection and urinary tract infection. It's better to maintain a better hygiene and use a good pad and or napkin. Need to change in every 3 to 4 hours of duration, even if it's having a high level of flow or low flow. Doesn't matter, the pad or napkin needs to be changed every 3 to 4 hours to avoid further infection passing up. Or organism growth of organism will facilitate the growth of organism if it remains out. So it's always advisable to change the napkin or pads every 3 to 4 hours, irrespective of the amount of flow. And it's very important to maintain the hygiene, and else the organism or bacteria will develop and cause vaginal infections and skin rashes. And in order to avoid this, and to provide a good hygiene, maintaining changing napkin or pad is very important, so that it can avoid in spreading of or developing of organism, and by causing infections like any this kind of yeast infections or urinary tract infections. So for these reasons, it's very very important to maintain hygienic, and we need to wash our hands while after cleaning it. And it's very important that washing the vagina is very important, and shouldn't use any kind of soap, which is strong soaps, or any other products during periods. And disposing when you dispose the pads or napkin, it's very important that you should wrap them and do not flush them in the toilet. It leads leads to the blockage of the toilet. And at the end, it's very important to wash your hands after changing the sanitary pads. You need to wash your hands very well to maintain the hygienic and to avoid spreading of infections. So the cleanliness and maintaining hygienic is very important, and it should be lots of things should be taken in case of washing, maintaining the area, cleanliness and maintaining the hygienic of the area, and washing of it regular intervals is very important. The washing will remove the chances of spreading infections in that area, and it's very important for maintaining the health of the individual. And the disposing of the pad, which is so important, that if it leave outside, it will be a storehouse of bacteria or organism which will leads to infection. So while disposing the pad, it is very important to wrap it in a paper and dispose it rather than keeping it open. It doesn't satisfy the hygienic level of disposal. So it's very important while disposing and while handling, and after changing pads, it's very important to wash your hands so that there are less chance of infections. And if you wash your hands, the chances of spreading infection will reduce and can maintain a very good health. So these are some of the things we should take care during the menstrual cycles of periods, and these are some of the things everyone should know. And if you like my videos, great, and one of the important things to do is subscribe to my channel, and if you like it and share it, and hope everyone will like my videos. So then subscribe so that you can see my coming videos, and I'll be seeing you next time with a new topic and new videos. Till then, please take care of your health, take care of your family, and eat well. Have a great day. And with that, I'm saying bye to everyone, and have a good health and take care of you. So as I said, please like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care. See you with the next videos next time. Bye.